I just figured something out yesterday, and for me it was a game changer. Now, if you're a professional landscaper or something like that, it's not going to be, you probably know how to weed eat, but I don't. So I'm going to do a timed thing. Maybe we'll do those two panels one way and then these two the other way. Okay, I got on my brush gators. I got a review on these on my channel. I don't make any money off of them. No, they're just awesome, especially like on the shorts. Echo SRM 210 SB. Got my glasses on. Bose QC2 hair protection. It's good for podcasts and stuff where we need it. It's pretty cool. Come on. It gives you like, you know, an inch to play with. It just makes it so much more easier. So just a quick tip. Hope that helps. Oh, I got one more quick tip for you besides the brush gauges. These little quiet comfort things, man, those are awesome. The brush gators are awesome. And this is my once a year cleanup, so I used to have this trailer, but get you two of those cheap Harbor Freight clamps, hold your weed eater. And those little things, holy crap. Another free tip. I got that as like a white elephant gift, gag gift or something for Christmas. I think it has a brand on it. These things are, oh my God. My Milwaukee chainsaw is just sitting there getting lonely because I'm using that thing all the time. It's so handy, and man, it's just, those things are great. But anyway, I'm gonna get back at it. Hope that helped you save a little frustration and some line. See ya.